How do I deal with doubt? Like I constantly think that I'm not smart/lucky enough to actually make it. So something that always helped me is like, so luck does play a part in business. It's like, I don't really like to call it luck, but I like to call it chance. But you can almost like make yourself luckier by just working harder. So if you really look at things, I think a good way to do it is, there's a lot of things that have worked for me, but it might not necessarily work for you. The thing is with online business, the reason why everyone fails, or most people do fail, is because they don't stick with it long enough. So if you just stick with something, if you don't care about the results, in terms of you don't really care about the money, and you remove your emotional connection to earning money from it, and you purely just look at it like, okay, I'm going to go to university. I'm going to put 3 years into this. I'm going to figure it out. And I'm just going to try and learn as much as humanly possible and learn practical skills. Then you're going to come out of it after the 3 years having earned a bunch of money and learn a bunch of skills. So it's almost like if you don't focus too much on the actual result, it's easier to get the results. That's what worked for me. Yeah, that's what worked for me. I just looked at my first couple of years in business as like, okay, everyone I know is going to university. They're going to come out of it in debt and have learned very little practical skills, if no practical skills. Whereas after these 3 years, I'm going to have come out of it at minimum, learned a bunch and maybe earned some money. And I came out of it like literally a millionaire.